5 seconds. 3. What a shot! Lalaban itong mga batang nasa ng DNJ Miranda. Good for one. Napakinabangan sa jumper itong batang manlod. But a number 24. What a move! Pero nasayang at hindi pumasok. Good for one. Honorable Jason Suspenya. And once again, we acknowledge the presence of SK Federation President Nabayan for under 15 na ginaganap po dito sa Barangay Poblacion, District 2 sa munisipyo ng Brooks Point. Good for 1 point. CPBC ba? Or itong team ng DNJ basket counted at by Kauban Pangpang of DNJ and 1. Once again, we acknowledge the presence of SK Federation President ng Bayan ng Brooks Point. We have Sir Jason Suspenya, ating SK Federation President. 1 up against 5, 4-point lead. But there's the number 26, a Lion, a jumper, yes sir! 10 seconds shot na. Jewel number 24, one-handed shot, boom! Isang kamay lang yung ginagamit. Good for 1 point. Lion. Good for 1 point. Diretso. We have only the number 4 call for blocking foul. Ang team foul na po yung tinatamasan itong PSCPBC. Pero sa kanyang pagbiyahe, hindi bumasket ng team ng DNJ. But diretso. Good foul under penalty. Third free throw. Second shot na. Good for 1 point. Diretso. Second shot na. 5 seconds. 3. What a shot! Boom! Good for 1 point. We have only 4 minutes to go. Malang, yun ang titira para sa ating good for 1 point. Good for 2 points. Tuhan pa to. At ang jumper by Miranda Piten. Taking the ball, Agawan Buko. Pero itong batang direction numero 24, nakita bukas. Boom! Jewel. Good 4-point lead. At jumper, good for 1 point. Good for 1 point. Itong batang mahanlod. Number 4, but a Lion side step Piten. 9 up against 14, 5 puntos. Ang abante nitong mga nasa asul. Lalaban itong mga batang nasa ng DNJ. Miranda, good for 1. 20 seconds. Ng DNJ itong mga nakamaroon. 8 seconds shot na. We have only 1 minute 40 seconds. Good for 1 point by Miranda. 11 up against 14, 1 minute and 35 seconds. Diretso, good for 1. 11 up against 15, 4-point lead pa rin yung abante nitong team ng CPBC. Pero there's a call against number 4, call for dalawang free throw ang bibigay para sa batang Alayon. Unang buga, good for 1 point. 12 up against 15. We have 3-point lead ang abante. 5 seconds shot at boom! We're having a 10 foul to laban sa team ng Tamis. Kayo na po ang susunod. Dito natin doon na naglaro sa kabila. Napakinabangan sa jumper itong batang manlod. But a number 24. What What a move! Pero nasayang at hindi pumasok. Good for 1 point by Miranda. 10 seconds shot lang. Last 40 seconds. And double, yes sir, 1 point diretso. We have only last 30 seconds, 10 seconds shot lang. Putok number 20 is losing the ball. 10 seconds shot lang. Last 20 seconds, 5 seconds shot lang. Nawala 2 seconds. Outside double, wala. We have only 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And now, ladies and gentlemen,